So this video explains to you what you need to do for your next tutorial. So far you have completed your tutorial 1, you have collected a GPS point and create a shapefile in your tutorial 2, okay, to convert the points into the shapefile and KML files. And the next thing you have to do is to start to digitize the different type of shapefiles. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to go to the week 7. Okay. Just go through the instruction. Okay. And then there's a tutorial show you how to you can georeference a map. Okay. So in this tutorial 3, you don't have to georeference your map. Okay. What you need to do, you need to digitize the map. So here there's a video tutorial to show you how you can digitize the map. Make sure you watch all the video because each of these videos are important. So you're going to digitize 2 maps. Okay. One is the map published in 1980s. Another one is 1993. Okay. So after you have digitized your map, then you can submit your map here. Okay. So for further instruction, which map you're going to download. Okay. So you need to download a map, that reference map, which you're going to digitize the geography feature from the map. So just click on the tutorial 3, they will give you the explanation where you can download the map. Okay, so all the instructions will be in the tutorial 3A. Okay, so you need to, and you're going to follow the same procedure in the 3B. Okay, so just open this tutorial, okay, and then bring you to the Google Drive folder where you can download all the map. So it will bring you to this folder, just follow the link and then download all the map. So the map size is quite large, so you can download and then share with your friend by using pen drive. Okay. So after you download the map into your computer, then you can open the map in your QGIS. Just open this as a raster file. Okay. So what you can see, you have the 1980s map. Okay. So it consists of 2 parts. Okay. And part of this map is overlapped with the map published in 1993. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to select an area, okay, based on this 1993 map. And then make sure the area consists of features that you need to digitize. So you must select an area where you can digitize a polygon shapefile, a line shapefile, and also the point shapefile. So that means that you need to select an area with these geography features. So each of the group need to digitize the 3 kilometer by 3 kilometer square. Okay. Make sure the area that you selected also visible in the map 1993. Okay. So what you need to do next, you might want to make a polygon first. So you just create a new shapefile. Okay. So to help you to focus on the area. Okay. Just click OK. So if you, and then save the file name. So this is just for your reference, the box. So this is, you don't have to submit this file. And after that, just go to editing. Okay. And then select an area. Okay, so this is an area that I think is quite good. Okay, so you can select any area. Okay. And then I start to make a box. Okay, then I can just save and then click stop editing. So you might want to move this box at the top layer so you can see it. Okay. So what you want to show, just show the boundary where you want to digitize the data. Just select outline, symbol line. Okay, change the color a bit, so make it easy for you to see. Make the boundary a bit thicker. Okay, So let's say this is an area you want to digitize. So after that, it's good to view this for other layer. Okay, make sure you have the map for this extent, geography extent that you have just set. Then after that, you can start to digitize. So you need to digitize a line file, a point file, and a shape file. And after that, only submit the shape file for these 3 different type of data. You don't have to submit the box. Okay. So you're going to digitize first the 1980 layers, okay, only within this box that you have set, and also 1993, okay. Make sure the box that you set is at least 3 km by 3 km. So each box is about 1 km by 1 km.